In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount in WooCommerce. Whether you're running a seasonal promotion or offering a special deal, adding discounts can be a fantastic way to entice customers and boost sales. So, let's dive right in and make it happen step by step. First things first, we need to make sure the coupon functionality is enabled in your WooCommerce settings. This is an essential step because without coupons, there's no way to offer discounts to your customers. To do this, head over to your WooCommerce settings. You'll find this by navigating to WooCommerce in your dashboard, then clicking on Settings, and finally selecting the General tab. Once you're there, you should see an option labeled Enable the use of coupon codes. Make sure that this box is checked. This simple action will allow coupons to be available for use on both the cart and the checkout pages. After you've ensured that this setting is enabled, don't forget to save your changes. This will apply your new settings and ensure that everything is ready for your customers to use discounts at the appropriate stages of their purchase journey. With the groundwork laid, it's time to create the actual coupon that your customers will use. For this, go to the Marketing section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Coupons. From here, you'll want to click on Add Coupon. You'll see a screen where you can input the specifics of your new coupon. First, enter a unique coupon code that your customers will type in to get their discount. This could be something like Discount 15. You may also want to add an optional internal description so that you can easily remember the details of this particular coupon later on. Now that we've got the basic setup complete, let's talk about the most critical part: configuring your discount settings. These settings will dictate exactly how and what kind of discount your customers receive. In the General tab, you'll find several options to choose from. The most common types of discounts that you might consider using are a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. For a percentage discount, you would enter a number that represents the percentage off your offering. For instance, if it's a 15% discount, you simply enter 15, not 15%. Alternatively, if you'd like to offer a fixed amount off the entire cart or specific products, you would enter the flat amount into the corresponding field, again, without adding any currency symbols. Congratulations! You've just created a discount in WooCommerce. By following these steps, you're on your way to providing great value to your customers and increasing your sales potential. Keep experimenting with different discounts to see what works best for your business. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.